Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name's Zach, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Hohem Pro 2. Currently you can get this for about £80 on Amazon, and it's quite good value. It does feel quite plasticky, but that's to be expected. It's not, premium quality item, but it doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart on you while just using it. So I think it's a good compromise. Things I like about this product: the price is one thing, the quality of the build is another, and the battery is very good. Another thing I like is this little stand which allows you just to place it. It's very plasticky but screws on, screws off, and just makes it a bit more versatile. Something I like. Things I dislike about this product is over here you have 4 different modes, and you have to press this button to change to the different types of modes. And sadly, to change each one you have to double click, triple click and quadruple click, which is a bit annoying when you're out in the field and you can't figure out whether you've double clicked or triple clicked or whether it's changed the mode properly. It would be nice if it just had a switch or something different. I'm not a fan of the quadruple clicking to get it to work. Another thing I don't like about the product is, in order to attach your GoPro, which is what I use, you have these tiny screws, and they're really quite small and they hurt your fingers actually tightening up and loosening it. And luckily it's not something you have to do too often, but again I think they could have done with a better design there. So it has 4 modes that you can use. In pan mode it follows the horizontal and locks the other 2 axes. The second mode is pan and tilt mode, which follows the vertical and horizontal. The 4th mode is follow all, so that the camera will follow all the directions that you input. Basically like holding the camera in your hand, but you do get a bit of gyroscopic function in there. The gimbal also does come with a case that you can hold your device in it. You do need to detach the attachments, but it is a nice little carry-on case to get everything you want. So, should you get one of these? I think so. I think it makes a very big difference to your image quality. There's a lot less shake, substantially a lot less. And for the price, I think it is well worth it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.